guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It is currently like 9 p.m. This is the hour I look to sit down and film this video, but you know what, it has to be done. All right, now the other day I realized I was running out of my favorite brow pencil, which you all know is the Makeup Revolution one. It's only like $6. It's what I used to apply on my brows today, and literally I had a panic attack because this is the only one I have and it's almost out. So I went crazy and I bought 5 of them. I have them right here from the Makeup Revolution website. So I placed an order there, and while I was on there I was like, you know what, let me grab a couple other things because Makeup Revolution is such an affordable brand. So I got a couple things there, but for some reason the order was not going through. At least that is the email I was being sent. So I was just like, you know what, let me move on to another site. And I went on to Beauty Bay and I placed the order there. Order went through fine. So again I ordered 5 more. But the good thing about Beauty Bay is that they carry a bunch of different brands, including like some affordable ones like LA Girl, Milani, just a bunch of them. So I say, you know what, it's a long time since I didn't like purchase affordable or drugstore makeup, so I decided to place an entire order. But unbeknownst to me, the Makeup Revolution order did go through, so I ended up doubling everything. So right now I have like 10 brow pencils, which I don't mind because it's literally my favorite. I have some glosses from them as well, some cheek tints, but again some lip glosses, then some from LA Girl. I also grabbed LA Girl's new skin tint, so I'm really excited to try this out. And of course this is definitely one TikTok made me buy. These are the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright concealers, which are supposed to be dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury concealers. And while I don't have those Charlotte Tilbury concealers just yet to compare them, I still want to try them and see like what's the hype all about. And I have a bunch of different drugstore makeup here that I want to test out today with you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. I'm clipping back my wet hair. Like I just took a shower and I already sweated. Oh lord. So the first product I want to test out is this lip care serum from Makeup Revolution. It says this is an overnight lip serum containing mango butter and hyaluronic acid. So basically a lip oil. But look, oh wow, that is really pretty packaging. This is giving me like Kylie Cosmetics vibes. Really cute, very pretty. But this doe foot in here looks massive. Let me see if it smells like, oh no, it doesn't really have a fragrance, but it does smell like skincare. So ooh, that is nice. It's a lip oil, so of course it's gonna be hydrating, but this feels really nice though, like better than some of the high-end ones that I have. Loving this lip oil so far. I forgot that I wanted to test out this lip balm from Makeup Revolution as well. By the way, if you didn't see the 2 hauls, the Beauty Bay and the Makeup Revolution hauls, I'll leave them linked in the eye, or is it this side, I'm not sure, one of these ends, so you can check out those videos. I posted them on my YouTube shorts, but I'll leave this for another video or update you all on Instagram. I didn't get any new primers, so I'm just sticking with affordable products. So I'm gonna use the Covergirl Pore Minimizing Primer. Now for the exciting part, this is the LA Girl Tinted Foundation. This has buildable natural finish and it's supposed to be hydrating. It's paraben and fragrance free. It's a lightweight formula as well, and it does seem to have like this squeezy tube applicator. So let's open this up. You all know I'm like really into lightweight makeup, so hopefully this one works out well. Okay, this packaging is actually really nice, and by the way, I'm in the shade Tan, so I'm gonna give this like a really good shaky shake. So I think I'm just gonna like squeeze it directly on my face. Ooh, color match looks good. Yeah, it is fragrance free, so that's a plus. And I'm gonna buff it in with my brush. Oh wait, I have a new mirror to test out. I picked up 2 mirrors from the Makeup Revolution Friends collection and I am so excited for these. So I think I'm gonna use this one today. Wow, wow, Shanada, wow. This brings back so many memories of Friends. Absolutely love that show. But let's do this together because I know you'll enjoy it. Oh baby, yes. I really like this. I actually like this more than the ColourPop tinted moisturizer. This one has a little bit more coverage. I'm really shocked. And well, actually no, not really, because this is a tinted foundation, but it is quite sheer coverage, but still really pretty on the skin. Like, this is definitely natural finish, but I really like it so far. So that one squeeze on each cheek was not enough for my entire face, so I'm gonna put where I need a little more coverage and see if this is buildable. I definitely would recommend a brush instead of a sponge because it would just soak up the product. So this is a close-up of the tinted foundation. I love this formula. It is so lightweight. I feel like it just evened out my skin perfectly. I feel like you can even use this with fingers, so I'll definitely try that way and let you all know as well. But I really love the finish of this. Like, my skin looks super glowy, pretty but natural, and you can still see like some of my marks peeking through on my face, which I really like. I like that kind of no makeup kind of look, so I really love this formula so far. We'll see how it wears as I layer on other products. Moving on to concealer, these are the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright concealers. I got a couple of shades, but I'm gonna start off with tan because you all know I like to use two shades, one to kind of color correct and the other to brighten. And this is what the applicator looks like. It's like one of those sponge applicators, very much Charlotte Tilbury inspired. So I'm just gonna keep twirling until I see that product come up. Today would be nice, sir. So this is the shade Tan. Looks good. Ooh, this is my mirror. This looks really pigmented. Let me just start with a little bit. Feels really nice though, like almost hydrating. Why did I apply concealer there? Well, yes. I'm just gonna apply some on my nose, like anywhere I want a little extra coverage. So on my nose. Let me blend this out and see how it goes. That is actually a nice shade. Damn. Definitely has nice coverage. Okay. Do you see this? I look conceal and brighten. That is a great shade. So if you're my skin tone, look for tan in this concealer. This is nice and creamy, I'm not gonna lie. It's blending into my skin so easy. I think I'm gonna take it up on my lids one time so that, you know, I'll have some base on for eyeshadow. So now that my base has had time to warm up, I feel like it's a little bit light for me. So maybe tan in the LA Skin Tint might be a little too light, so perhaps go a shade darker if you are my skin tone or more, because it's not really matching my hands. But hopefully when I start contouring or bronzing, it might help out. I did pick up two shades in the Eye Bright concealers, but I can't for the life of me decide if I want to use Toffee or Mocha. I'm leaning towards Mocha a bit, but I think I'm gonna start off with Toffee and see how that looks. I'm just gonna put like 2 dots and see. Oh yeah, that's actually not a bad shade. Let me blend it and see how it goes. Blending out nice. I think the undertone of this is nice as well. So yeah, Toffee for the win. Remember to blend your bronzer or contour upwards to lift your face. Get into this complexion. Look at this face. She cute. But for cream blush, I have a bunch from Makeup Revolution, and I have this one from LA Girl. I really wanted to test this one out today, but I feel like I'm leaning more towards these, so I think I'm gonna test out one of these shades. These are the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Blush. This one, however, it says a cheek and lip duo, although this one says it's for cheek and lips, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but I don't know which one to try. Maybe this one. Let's do this one. It's kind of in between. I have been so much into cream products lately. Honestly, I wish I used cream products in my routines earlier because I feel like they just look so much better on skin. This cream blush is in the shade Blush, which is this kind of, this is hard to open, but this is really cute packaging, not gonna lie. So it's a kind of pinkish, mauveish kind of color. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna apply it directly, I guess. I wish this was a little slimmer, not gonna lie, but I want to see how this blends. Oh, it's a pretty color, man. I'm just gonna buff it in with this brush and carry it up all the way to my temples. It's actually just a really pretty flush of color. I love this shade. It's not too strong, definitely a buildable formula, I would say, but I think I'm gonna leave it here because I've been going too crazy with blush lately. Okay, this blush is given Gen Z fresh face vibes. I love it. This blush, in fact this entire base, looks so much better than some of my high-end products, not gonna lie. This blush is given life. Now I can set my face, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I have had this in my collection for a long time now. I have used this multiple times, but it's been a while, so I genuinely don't remember like how I felt about it, so we're gonna test it out today. Okay, so I don't like this powder because if you can look closely where the blush meets the concealer, it has some patchiness going on right here, and that only happened when I applied the powder because you all saw how flawless the base was before I applied this powder. So it's not my favorite. Like even here, it's just kind of taking away the concealer from my face, so I don't like this powder. Now that I think about it, there's a reason why I didn't reach for this powder a lot. It's because it's no bueno, so I will be throwing this one out. I didn't pick up any new eyeshadows, so I'm gonna stick with this one from LA Girl. It's called Playtime, and I'm just gonna throw on some quick colors on my eyes. I didn't grab any new highlighters to test out, and even if I did, I think I just love the way the skin is looking dewy and glowy on its own, so I'm gonna leave it like that. But I have some lip products to try from Makeup Revolution. These are two glosses. One is called Hydra Balm, which has peptides and hyaluronic acid, and this one is called Pout Balm, which is a plumping lip gloss. So I think I'm gonna try the plumping one, mainly because it kind of ties in with the look. But I also have this set here of shimmer glosses, and these look very shimmery. Like, it's so pretty. I hope the camera is picking it up, but I may have to test these another time to see if they're like dupes for Fenty glosses, but they are super pretty to look at. I have to say, I really love their packaging. Look at the size of this doe foot. Damn. Oh, it smells so minty. It smells like spearmint toothpaste, so I like that. You all saw that pigment, right? Like, what? Ew, it feels so tingly on the lips. I'm gonna finish up my lips, wait a few minutes, and see if any plumping action happens, and I'll come back to give my final thoughts. So this is the final look, and it's been a couple minutes since I've had on the gloss. I think I see a slight difference, but it still does have that cooling, tingling effect, which I like. And the plumping action kind of reminds me of the ColourPop plumping glosses. yeah, those have like the same effects. It's not too dramatic, but it's definitely a little some which I like. But I definitely love the formula. I love the shade of it. I don't really care for the plumping, to be honest, but it feels really nice and hydrating on the lips. It's not like sticky or anything. It feels nice. So in terms of my review of all of these products, I genuinely love all except for the powder. I would not recommend it because it does cling to certain patches on my concealer, which is really weird, so I would not recommend this powder. But also, one more thing to note is the Eye Bright concealer. The packaging is a little bit messy, just like, yeah, you see how it gets all over. So maybe don't like turn it up too much like I did, just go like a little at a time. But other than that, I absolutely love this skin tint foundation. I love the concealers. They are a huge win in this review. Like, look at the contour or bronzing shade, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love these. Also the cheek duos, these are so pretty. Y'all see my juicy cheeks right now? These definitely remind me of the Jaclyn Cosmetics cream stick blush, which I love a lot, but y'all know I'm trying not to support her brand too much anymore, so I'm glad I have almost like a dupes for them or something very similar. I absolutely love how my cheeks look. Like, I can't stop smiling. Look at them chubby cheeks. It's so cute. I love these. Definitely would recommend them. The skin tint is a big hit in this review as well. I absolutely love the application, the finish of it. I will say, even though I'm in the shade tan, I think I'll go down one more shade to be a little bit darker because I feel like it's just a little too light for me, so bear that in mind. But I absolutely love the natural finish of this and the fact that it didn't settle into my fine lines or do like any kind of weirdness while I was applying the rest of the products on top. It played well with everything else, so I would really recommend this. I feel like the drugstore is coming for these high-end brands because these products that I tried today, I think they outperform them. They are so good. And that completes this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this dedicated drugstore makeup tutorial. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you've tried any of these affordable products before or if you're thinking about getting any of them. And as always, if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. You guys take care of yourselves. I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye.